Hi guys, how are you today? Hope you are having a great week trading. Welcome to another video. Since the beginning of this week, I started publishing 3 of our institutional data that helps us to see what the institutions are doing in the market. That is the institutional pending order, the institutional price magnet, and our VIP bias. I've been getting questions in the comment section from some of you guys on what the images are showing and how to understand it, what NIL means, and so on. In this video, I'll answer these questions and also teach you how to transfer the data published to your chart, exactly how I do it, and still keep your chart as clean as possible. I will also explain more on the 3 data. Without wasting much of our time, let's get this started. The 3 data published are pending orders, price magnet, and VIP bias. These 3 information are very important to knowing what the institutions are doing at the moment and what they plan to do in the nearest future. The first 2 data are gotten directly from the institutional futures data feed, but the third one, which is the VIP bias, is derived from our analysis using price action, volume, and open interest. The institutional pending order is the most important one out of the 3 data because it tells the present as well as the future plan of the institutions. If we get an institutional pending order like this one right here, it means the institutions are already in a buy position on this day and they have placed the pending buy order below this low to add more to the buy so as to protect the old buy and add more order at a better price. I believe you see why I said it tells the present and the future now. The present buy order in that day tells us what the institutions are doing at the moment. The pending buy order tells us what the institutions intend to do if price comes back below that price. The second institutional data, that is price magnet, only tells the future and has nothing to do with the present. It tells us price levels where the institutions will target when they reverse their positions. This means that the price magnet complements the pending order as its target. The last data, VIP bias, is our confluence or confirmation tool. It is the icing on the cake. If pending order and price magnet, in addition to our technical analysis, show a trade setup, we want to see a confirmation in that direction on the VIP bias. I will create another video very soon to explain the interpretation of the smart money data on price action. That video will make you realize how powerful this is. Don't forget to like the video and leave your questions in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, welcome to Tom's Capital. Here we approach the market quite differently. We trade with the market facts and institutional data, which enables us to see the market with the eyes of a smart money trader. If this sounds like something you will like for your trading, join the family by clicking the subscribe button right now and turning on your post notification bell so you don't miss out on our videos. What do you do when you get the data video? The first thing to do is to transfer the data to your charts. You need to keep your chart clean and you need to represent all the price levels, the type of data, and the direction information of the data. Personally, I use a forward-facing arrow like this one to represent the price magnets, and I use a thick line to mark the pending orders. I use up and down facing arrows to mark VIP bias. I don't mark VIP bias every time I get it. I only mark it when I have a setup to confirm. Let me go over the icons once again. I mark institutional price magnet with a forward-facing arrow, institutional pending order with a thick line, and I mark VIP bias with up or down facing arrow depending on the direction. I use color to represent the direction of the data. In the past few days, I have published institutional data videos on this channel. So let's go through the data for Euro together and mark it up on the chart. On Friday, 6th of January, we got this level for bullish pending order. That's 1.0483. For those that said they don't understand the image showing the data, let me use this to explain. What we have here is 24 hourly candlesticks, that is 1 hour time frame of Euro USD for that day. The price marked at the low marks the level below which institutional pending orders are. the arrows represent the pending orders. The second level, 1.0450, in this case represents the next minor EBITDA price to the low. In the case of price magnet, you get one price level with two layers of arrows showing the magnetic effect of that price and the direction. Now let's mark the pending order level. Like I said earlier, I mark pending orders with a thick line, and that is it for pending order. Also on that day, we add two price magnet levels, 1.05795 and 1.05285. Let's go ahead and mark those levels. We will be marking that with forward-facing arrows. On that day, there was no VIP bias info, so it says new. The meaning of new, NIL, for those asking, is no data. That is, there's nothing to publish for that section. So that's all the data for the 6th of January. Next is Monday, the 9th of January. There was no institutional pending order on that day, but we got a bearish price magnet level at 1.06930. Let's go ahead and mark that with a red forward facing arrow. The next data for the day is VIP bias for a sell. So I'll mark that right here with a down facing red arrow. Although I did not mark it on my personal chart because I did not have any sell setup or bearish reversal pattern on that day. But for the sake of this video, let's keep it there. That's all the data for Monday trading. On Tuesday, the 10th of January, we got a bullish pending order at 1.0712. Let's go ahead and mark that with a blue line. There was no price magnet for that day, but the VIP bias, just like the previous day, is still showing sell reversal. So we will mark that right here also. Always remember that the VIP bias is only a confirmation tool when the other two institutional data and technical analysis already suggest market direction. For Wednesday, 11th of January, we got a bullish pending order at 1.07255. So we will mark that with a blue line to show it's a pending order. When you see pending orders, always remember the fact that it represents two things, namely active order in the same direction and pending order to protect the active order, meaning the institution still holds that direction as their bias. On the same day, we got a bullish price magnet at 1.07685. As you can see from the screenshot. Let's mark that on the chart. The VIP bias still points at an impending bearish reversal, so we will mark that also. And that is it for that day. The next day is Thursday, 12th of January, and as usual, we got the data for the day. We got two bullish pending order levels at 1.08395 and 1.0731. Let's go ahead and mark both levels with blue lines the same way we marked the earlier ones. On that same day, we also got two bearish price magnets at 1.0847 and 1.0737. Let's also mark that on our chart. That is 1.0847 and 1.0737. Remember, these levels tells us where price will target in the nearest future. Just like in the previous days, the VIP bias remains, so we will also mark that right here. That's all the data I have published on the channel as at the point of making this video. Now I believe you all know exactly how to add this information from the data to your charts exactly the same way I do mine. In my next video, I will explain deeper on what the institutional data represents and how to know market direction with it. I will share examples from my charts to help you understand this clearly. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss out on our videos when we drop them. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section below or reach me directly on Instagram at Thumbs Capital. I'll try my best to answer as many people as I can. I'll see you on the next one. Have a good day and happy trading.